Hi, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Tuesday. Um, Nothing better to start off the week with a nice little drop. Okay, so as mentioned yesterday and even last week, the downtrend remains bearish. However, now we are coming into support, a support that we were anticipating, of course, because it was an untapped daily. Also coming into with the local Fibonacci pocket. So that's two confluences. And of course, a daily OB. Okay, so the daily OB is, let me remove that. It was right here. Okay, so I take my OB because here you can see it has been a lot of selling before taking an engulfing candle. Definitely liquidity to grab here. What does price do? Come back down, take it, and acts like it finds support. Beautiful TA. So I am personally now long from this area. Okay. Of course, take profit one has been done as I took this trade during daily open, and it was a scalp, as we clearly see the downtrend is still really low. So I also had these levels slowly lower. These are definitely levels to be aware of. Weekly level, which is definitely stronger than daily. Okay. And also, well, this harmonic, which is going to perfection. So I shared it yesterday this way. So I shared it from here. I was saying we will bounce around 40K. So around here. And here we go a bit higher, but okay. So, but as I said in the message right below the post, this is the growth picture, okay? The one I prefer the most is when I pull the X on the 24th of February low, okay? And I come here, so that's our golden pocket. So we find it support, it's perfect, okay? And so the highs should be, we should be on the way to make a new, a lower high right now, but a consequent lower high, okay? Which will then give us a nice short to ride slightly lower. Yeah, why I'm really keen with this harmonic, I will show you right now. So when I use the fib time, I like to use the high to the low to the high, okay? And you see, we put the low right on the 1-to-1 Fibonacci time, which was yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm really keen with this. So then to find the C, right, we will do exact same way, but this time we'll take it directly from the harmonic. And so the C should be due to here, okay? Then of course, the target of C is the golden pocket, right? So it will be something like that, okay? So this will be the idea of harmonic, which I like a lot. And then it will give us that weekly with that overall spit fan from the Corona dump, which is a level we still haven't touched. Last time we touched it was on the 2nd of November, and 2nd of November, and it resulted into a 370% on Bitcoin. So not negligible, okay? Definitely a level you want to be aware of, in my opinion. A lot of exciting stuff coming ahead, in my opinion. We're trapping a lot of bears, I love it. Trapping a lot of bulls too, I love it also. Yeah, the market is just doing its thing. It's been fantastic trading. I don't know if you guys seen, I've been quite active last night actually in the group. I shared a few setup. I share actually like a nice scalp short. It was from the local pocket. So I think I shared it. It was right here. So I shared this scalp short, okay? It was the OB. I think it was a lower time frame OB, and it was also the Fibonacci pocket, okay? Come and grab it. Swing failure pattern of the high on low time frame results you to go get the low, okay? You go get the low with a, no, sorry guys, I'm tripping. I did not share this at all yesterday. Nope. I'm tripping. Let me go on the smaller time frame as I was, yeah, okay, so it was here, yeah, so it was this short right here. So it was the golden pocket. It was also some IB, okay? So the IB, the OB is right here. We go OB, okay? So that was our OB, definitely zone of resistance, results into a nice little scalp, into or long actually. that was perfect. So we took the scalp, and then we took the long from the liquidity grab, the golden pocket, the daily, and the OB that I shared earlier. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was not too confusing. I know it might be a bit confusing for most, but I will normally, with the time, you guys should understand how I trade, and you guys should be able to get something out of it, hopefully. So that was on the low time frame. Okay, so where are we right now? I want to go on larger time frame. Okay. So also we're bouncing from a high volume node, as you can see on here, right? From the overall range from the beginning of this year. Okay, so right now we're finding clear support, which is nice. Don't get too caught up, okay? Don't think we're gonna go back and get the highs. Extremely important level right here, which is the overall POC, okay? I will mark it as key. Definitely a level you want to be aware of. We also have our P-Day areas, okay? So we have a possible CCV setup, which I shared this morning in the chart on the group. So you see the daily open is outside of the previous day value area. So the initial target will be previous day value area high. It is now confirmed, right? As we have over 30-minute candle closed above it. So let's just remain patient. Also, we got the PD high, which is nice area. So here is definitely an area where I'm going to be aware of shorting. So here I will definitely looking for a short. Okay, so it can be either here. Okay, so the short I'll be looking for could be either here, but it will be just only a day scalp. Okay, because this is quite strong bounce. Yeah, the volume is not fully here yet, but we still have US to show up. Okay, and this is clear support. So for me, I will take a short, yes, but it will be a scalp short. I don't expect any major swing short to 30K or something like that. Not really. So this is a level to be aware. So first, the previous day value area high is a level to be aware. Then the point of control of this overall range is a level to be aware. And then yesterday's high with a clear 4-hour order block, which is definitely a liquidity grab. Okay, so 4-hour order block, pretty good order block. So I would like to see something like this. Let's say we go something like this. Okay, we take here the highs, and then we go back down, maybe find support here before going back up. Okay, so that would be my ideal scenario. If I take the short, guys, that means, for example, if we get lucky and we can breach this point of control, okay, and I take this, so my stop loss will be set above the week, of course, as always, or you can play it safe and put it above this week, but then the risk reward is so-so, not for me personally. So yeah, if you take this trade, keep in consideration that we could go up and directly flip this into support. Okay, that will be a bit annoying. So be sure that if you take this short, it's a day short. Okay, no swing short. So aggressive take profit one. That's what my scenario will be. Until then, we will see what happens. But for now, it looks good. Yeah, we also have this trend line that we've been losing, gave us that liquidity block. So that's also quite nice. Well, now we lost completely the CC, yeah. Okay, so wow, we also have the global CC coming into this area, also a level to be aware of. Okay, so yeah, that's it for my plan. Then for the people who missed the long, so let me show you how I took this long yesterday. It was quite nice, and I don't have the optimal entry, but it was quite nice because after I went right to bed, and I love when I can take a trade and go to bed. It's the most satisfying feeling. So I use this one. Okay, sorry, I need to flip it. Prix, non, niveau inverse. Okay, so you see how I took this. So we put in the low. Okay, I did not catch this knife. I saw we pump. It was nice 1% pump, but after such a big sellout, you don't want to catch this. So what I do is I pull my fib like this, my entry fib, and what do we see? It gives me my stop loss right below this wick, my entry triggers, and then my take profits. So what happened is you pull this fib, you wait for the retrace, you trigger, still not stop as your stop loss is right before the PD low, and boom, pump, take profit one, okay, boom, take profit two, boom, take profit three if you're in the trade, boom, take profit four, and if you want to let it run, you can, feel free to. But you see how helpful such tools can be, right? This is, in my opinion, this can give you some good entries, better than any average traders without a doubt. So I strongly recommend you using it. Coming into smaller time frame, I realize right now we're facing resistance into the local pocket. Okay, let's see where is our pocket, lower pocket today. Okay, so we're coming, okay, nice. With an order block also, 15-minute OB. Let's check the 1 hour. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And I think this is coming also with the 382. Yep. Wow. Okay, this is support, guys. Okay, this whole area right here, support, clear support. Clear support with the 382, perfect. When you're on the uptrend, can't ask for much more, I believe. Yeah, yep. Okay, so that's a level to be aware of. 39,894 for sure. Order block, 1 hour order block, taken by engulfing candle. Okay, and or below in line with the 382. Okay, that's it on trading view. Let's go check exo chart, guys. Wow, the daily chart looks really sad. Completely red. Okay, so yep, we had no naked point of control here. We have some ahead on top of us also, by the way. Guys, yesterday, 41,000 is a PDPOC. So that's something to be aware of. 41,000. So PDPOC is also resistance. So guys, that's definitely something to be aware of. The price could just go here, directly reject for lower, okay? So that's something to pay consideration to. Okay, let's check the weekly. Okay, so still the same, 43,500. That's good. A level also to be aware of, guys. And the monthly, I think it's still the two same. We have a support at 39K, correct? And the resistance at 48K. So we're still ranging between those two. Whichever touch first, the happier we are. Okay. So that's it. Let's go on the session template. So as Oikea mentioned into the video, clear rejection from Igor session 3, point of control. Okay, with a selling tail. Nice. We have Igor session 1, naked point of control right below us, standing at 39,610. A level also to be aware of. I think if we go back here and we draw back that local CC, right? From here to here. Yep, 39.6 also coming in line with the pocket, guys. So also a level to be aware. So, okay, so first this, level by levels. This, we want to see the reaction plus the VWAP. So actually three confluences, OB low, 382, VWAP slowly coming in. Let's check the reaction, okay? If lost, we look for here again, okay? With support area, definitely. Okay, but for me, here is no short, guys. I'm not shorting 39K. Miss me with that. Totally. I'm not interested in that. There's no risk reward. Maybe a scalp I will take, but nothing serious, nothing worth sharing in my opinion. Okay, so those are the levels. So right now we rejected from the naked, another naked below in confluence with the pocket. May we touch it, go back, take this one higher. Why not? Let's see. Only time will tell, right? And after I want to go into the order block. Into the order block, I can see that we don't have this much volume actually. The overall rise was poor in volume. However, it was poor in volume, but it was huge in short opening. So you see the number of people shorting here. So people are shorting the support. So you clear a clear bounce. 39K. It's not the area you want to play with, right? I think, but I don't see why people will short here. So you see they short all along the way. Shorts are only increasing. Look at this. Now they decrease, okay? I think they got wrecked most likely. Yeah, exactly. Wreck bubbles all along the way. So yeah, that's why they close. After long open, but shorts are still, they still seem to have more short than longs at the moment, personally. Volume still crap, guys. Look at this last bounce on 90, come on, 15 million volume. It's really poor. Here, 19 million, but we took the low with 15 million. Okay, so come on, it's really bad. The volume is not the strongest. So, okay, we don't get too hype. We follow levels by levels. As I mentioned, right now, we are rejecting for the local pocket. Okay, so it was resistance. If you retake this, it's fine. Make sure you take profit fast. But for now, nothing to be extremely bullish on, in my opinion. Levels by levels, we trade it and we react. Okay, that's it for me for today, I think. So those are the ideas, okay? So we have potential shorts all along the way. So the first one is here for mini scalp. After it's here, okay, and after it's coming into this area high or up there. And for the longs, well, we say this area should hold a support, or this area should hold a support. If this is lost, guys, I'm not going to try to catch a knife. Knowing that we front run this level, guys. We did front run this level, this big level. So we could also see this, you know, that will like completely wreck a lot, because I'm sure a lot of people got bullish seeing this price action over here. So, but that's a level to be aware of, definitely. Monthly naked point of control, definitely a level to be aware of. Okay, guys, I hope that helps. We trade level by levels, we don't get wrecked, and we crush the chart. Bye-bye.